Hello dear viewers, you are welcome to this platform, Learn Yoruba with Yomi, and my own name is still Yomi. Ẹ kú dédé àsìkò yìí ẹ̀yin ènìyàn mi. Ẹ káàbọ̀ sí orí ìkànnì yìí tí a ti ń kọ́ nípa èdè Yorùbá àti èdè Gẹ̀ẹ́sì. Ní báyìí a fẹ́ wo àwọn álífábẹ́ẹ̀tì kan àti ìró wọn àti àpẹẹrẹ ní èdè Gẹ̀ẹ́sì àti èdè Yorùbá. Okay, permit me to be code mixing and switching at the same time. So what I just said was that you're welcome to this platform once again, and my own name is Yomi, and right now we are going to be looking at Yoruba alphabets, as you can see on the screen, alongside the sound and also examples and meaning in English. So why don't you sit back, relax, enjoy the video, and if it helps you, do not forget to subscribe and follow our pages on TikTok and Facebook. Kindly like as well, and do not forget to turn on the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you will be notified. So let's get going. You're welcome back again to Learn Yoruba with Yomi. What we are looking at today, as you can see on the screen, we are going to have pronunciation table and the samples, okay? So the first letter there you can see is A, okay? A. This is in Yoruba version, okay? And we have the sound, as you can see, something like this right here. It sounds A, as you can see there, okay? And after that, this A, we have it in the Yoruba word called Asho. Asho. Can you say your own? Bravo. This is Asho. We have A, Sh, at O. Those are the three sounds that we have there, or Yoruba letters, okay? And this Asho in English means cloth. Cloth. Can you say that again? Good. Now let's progress to the next letter alongside the sound, and that is this letter. It's pronounced as E, E, and we have the sound E as in E in bed, okay? And after that, this E in Yoruba language or Yoruba word, we have the example as Eja. Eja. Can you say it? Bravo. And this Eja in English version means fish. Fish. Very good. Now let's progress to the next letter. We have this letter O. O as in AW in some English words. When we have jaw, we have law, we have saw, okay? Now this O sound in Yoruba word, we have oko, oko, re, do. And the English version, you see that I put two words there, but the first word is the one that goes for oko. Oko in English means vehicle. Vehicle, very good. But when we change the tone of that oko to be oko, re, re, that is when it can mean husband. Okay, very good. Now let's progress to the last letter. on the list. That is pronounced sh. Sh. Can you say that? Very good. Now this sh, the version of it we have in English is this sh, as we have it in shop, we have it in sheet, we have it in shirts, okay? And the Yoruba version of this, we have she, that is the example in Yoruba. And she in English version means to do. To do, okay? Mo ṣe iṣẹ́, that is, I did work or a task. Okay, so this is how far we can go today and this moment on the platform Learn Yoruba with Yomi. As we normally do, we have English version and Yoruba version on this platform. So once again, for me to be motivated to upload more videos on this channel, do not forget once again to subscribe and follow our pages. Turn on your notification bell so that you'll be notified. Like, comment. If there's anything you want us to talk about or make video on, kindly go to the comment section and put your comments there. Meanwhile, I'm going to attach a class work, okay? If you know it or you have done it, kindly send your answers to the comment section and I will look at them. Thank you for being there.